This is KARK4 News at 12:30.
Welcome back. It is Super Bowl week, and all week long, Baptist Health is going to help us get ready for the big game by sharing some very easy recipes that you can make. Natalie and Lauren are here with us to show us how to make these mini tacos, and it's not the most unhealthy thing, but we're talking about portion control. That's really what we want to talk about today.
Definitely. You know, you can make things as healthy as you want, but if it doesn't taste good,
right,
we want it to taste good. So
absolutely.
Focusing on the portion control. We've got a black bean salsa that we're going to make for you, and then we also had mini tacos. They have been kid-friendly and approved by my oldest daughter.
That's what we want.
She said they were awesome.
That's what we want.
But right here, we got an upside-down cupcake tin, which I keep seeing on Facebook about using it, and loved it. Just absolutely loved it. However, they made it look a little prettier. I just went with the simple of taking the tortilla, cutting it in fours, putting it in the upside-down cupcake tin and baking them. You can add a little bit of chili powder, garlic powder. If you like something really spicy, you can add that to them as well. Bake them.
And that just makes them a hard shell.
That's right. Okay. That's right. And then you'll cook your taco meat like you would. You can use any type of seasoning that you use. This is just what I had at home. But brown your taco meat, put it in your tacos, put your cheese on you, your lettuce on you, you're good to go.
Perfect.
But our black bean salsa right here, simple ingredients. You can just use these three right there with a can of black beans, corn, and rotel. And then you're going to mix it all in.
I mean, we haven't even dirtied many dishes here at this point.
That's right.
This is the ideal thing.
Then you can stir it up, and then you can leave it right there at that. However, again, in my household, we like things a little bit spicier, so you can add a little bit of garlic powder to it to give it just a little bit of zest, a little flavor, and kind of to taste.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of cumin that you can put in there, give it a little bit of a more edgy taste.
Now this isn't the only thing you could put in here. I mean, you can add green peppers, you can add a multitude of things as well.
Definitely, you can add onion in there if you like a little bit more onion. Even if you wanted to add a handful of cheese in there, or if you wanted to add ante up the protein value on it, you could put some of the ground beef left over from the tacos in there. And then you're ready to go.
Whether this is for a Super Bowl night or this is for a Wednesday night when you need something easy to make. This is a good idea.
That's right. And again, it's all portion controlled. There's 6 servings right in here. It's 3/4 of a cup is 1 serving. And then again, 1 taco is a serving.
Easy.
It's easy.
Very easy. And there's a lot that can fit on here, too. You're not making 1 taco at a time.
No, not at all.
You've got several. Awesome. Well, thank you, guys. This is great. And you'll be here all week talking about Super Bowl food.
Yes, we've got something different planned every day.
Any teas for tomorrow? Reason to tune in here?
Maybe a twist on some chicken tenders, chicken wings.
Oh, people like that for Super Bowl. I love
Finger
that.
food.
I love it. So definitely tune in tomorrow.